Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best deals that I grabbed over at CVS this week. I was able to get all of these items for free and made just about $2 buying it all. I also wanted to let you know to check your CVS app. For some reason, I had new CRTs in my CVS app this morning, Monday, and I don't normally see them on Mondays. So check your app, see if you got some new coupons for the week. I haven't been back to the store. Mine were Lash Blast Mascara and Delsum, I think. So I may end up back at the store later this week to grab a couple more deals, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out to you. I have decided going forward, it might make more sense for me to post my Walgreens and my CVS videos on Mondays. That way I can do all the shopping on Sunday, do my videos on Monday. So I'm gonna try that out for a little bit and see how that works. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am so glad you are here. And of course, thank you to all the people who have been with me from the beginning. Before I get into these deals, I want to share a non-coupon related goal with you. And I'm doing this because I'm hoping that if I share it with a whole bunch of people, that I'll be more likely to actually stick with it. So I've always been into health and fitness. For as long as I can remember, I've always enjoyed exercise, going to the gym. I like eating healthy. I just feel better when I live my life that way. But over the last year, I've gotten away from that more than I want to. It's been a stressful year. It's been a weird year, and I've just found myself getting some bad habits. So my goal that I'm sharing with you is to get back to the healthy habits that I've had for so long, exercising every day and eating healthier, and when I get stressed out, not downing an entire bag of Flips chocolate covered pretzels. So hold me to that, and I will try to keep you updated on how I'm doing. All right, so let's jump into these deals. The first one I'm going to tell you about, I used a coupon that expired yesterday. I know, I'm telling you about a deal with a coupon that expired yesterday, which seems unfair, but I'm still gonna do it. I have heard that some CVS's will take expired coupons. I don't know, I've never tried, because to me, if it's expired, that means I can't use it. But I have heard from other people that there are some stores that will take expired coupons, so I guess if you're comfortable with that, you can always ask. But this is the deal that I grabbed. The Garnier Whole Blends on sale this week, 2 for $7. And when you buy two, you get a $4 extra care buck back. So I bought these 2 for $7. I used the $4 off 2 coupon from the February 14th Retail Me Not. So I paid $3. I got $4 in extra care bucks back, making it free and a $1 moneymaker. Also, side note, I think they changed the name of the Retail Me Not to Save, so I will be using that verbiage going forward unless I keep screwing up and calling it the Retail Me Not. All right, so a $1 moneymaker on these guys. I know last week on coupons.com, there were $2 off coupons for the Garnier Fructis, what did they call it? Treatments, I think. And I believe those are also included in the 2 for $7. So if you happen to print those, definitely take them with you when you go to the store this week and see if they are also on promotion. Another great deal, and this coupon for me popped up last week and I just didn't use it, so I saved it for this week. It's on the CVS panty liners. These are $1.39 each. But I had 2 different coupons. I had one for $3 off any 3 tampons, liners, or pads. And then I had another one for $2 off any CVS liners. So what I did is I grabbed 3 of the least expensive ones. So these were $1.39 each. 3 of them makes it $4.17. I used the $3 off 3 coupon and the $2 off the CVS liner coupon. That will auto adjust down to the $4.17 price, making them completely free. Now, if that's a product that you use, it might be more advantageous for you to buy the larger package at a little bit higher price. That way you get the full $5 worth of coupons. Another very similar deal is on the CVS baby wipes. So these were on the baby aisle, but they're in like this little, I don't know, basket in front of the diapers. These little ones are. They're priced at $1.49. Now, I had a CVS CRT for $2 off any baby wipes. So I grabbed one. Again, this isn't a product that I use all the time, so I don't need it. So I couldn't rationalize spending money on it. So I just grabbed one for $1.49. So that $2 coupon auto-adjusted down, making it completely free. Now, these are buy one, get one half off. So I could have bought two. The full $2 of the coupon would have applied, and I would have been out of pocket just some change, which is a great price if this is something that you use. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your deals. You have to do it in a way that makes sense for you, not just because that's what someone else has done. So always be thinking, what makes most sense for me and my family. This was a super easy deal. I grabbed the Revlon bronzer, priced at $11.99. I had two different coupons for this. One was a CVS CRT for $4 off any Revlon purchase. One was a CVS digital coupon for $4 off any Revlon face product. So that made it $3.99 total. And this week, when you buy this, you're gonna get $4 in extra care bucks back. So that makes it completely free and a 1-cent moneymaker. So I think with Revlon, it was spend 12, get 4. I'll put it up here on the screen, that way you know. But that $11.99 got me to the spend 12, get 4. Other makeup deal I grabbed this week, and I will tell you, this was not the cheapest way to do this deal, but it's the way that made sense for me. So Maybelline is buy two, get $5 in extra care bucks. I had a free cosmetic item up to $5. I had that coupon on my app, as well as a $2 off any Maybelline mascara from the $2.21 Retail Me Not. Okay, so this is actually the mascara that I like and use. I've used it forever and I needed it. So it was a more expensive product, but it's what made sense for me and for the way I wanted to spend my money. So this mascara is priced at $7.59. The Baby Lips is priced at $4.79. When you buy two products, you're gonna get $5 in extra care bucks back. So I used the free cosmetic item, which made this cheaper one free. So it took off $4.79, the full price of this item. And then I had the $2 off any Maybelline mascara. So I paid $5.59. I got $5 back in extra care bucks, making it 59 cents for both of them. Now, if you were wanting to do that the cheapest way possible, you could grab two of the Baby Lips priced at $4.79, and that would make it free and a little bit of a moneymaker if you have that free cosmetic coupon. Don't forget, with CVS, they also have the Beauty Club. So for every $30 you spend in beauty items, you get $3 back in extra care bucks. And this haul, I ended up spending $30, so I will get $3 back in extra care bucks. It normally takes 1 or 2 days for that to hit on your account. You'll either see it in your app, or when you scan your card, you'll get the $3 printed out on that ridiculously long receipt that you get. All right, last deal. Now, I did pay a little bit for these razors, which I normally wouldn't do because I get razors for free all the time. However, I have not purchased razors in a long time from CVS. And the CRTs that they give you are based on your purchase behavior. So I thought, if I don't buy these products, they're going to stop giving me coupons for them, and I don't want that to happen. So I did a deal with the Schick Edge Bulldog products. They're spend $25, get $10 back in extra care bucks. I had a $5 off a $30 shaving purchase CRT. So I was trying to get to $30, just as close to that 30 as I could. That way I could use the 5 off 30 as well as get the $10 back for spending $25. So let me show you what I did and what coupons I had. I bought 2 of the Skintimate razors, and it doesn't really matter which ones you grab. I grabbed the ones that were priced at $9.79, and then I grabbed one of the men's Chic Extreme, this one priced at $9.49, and then I grabbed the Little Edge Shave Gel. This is 2.75 ounces, so I grabbed this little shave gel. That was $2.49. So these are the coupons that I had. I had the $5 off a $30 shave purchase. I had a $3 off a Chic disposable digital coupon on my card. I also had 2 of those $3 coupons that I printed from coupons.com that applied to these razors here. I also had a $4 off any 2 Skintimate razors. That was a CVS coupon, not a manufacturer coupon. So you can in fact use both. You can use a manufacturer and a CVS coupon on a product. That's totally fine. So the $3 off from the coupons.com applied, and then the $4 off 2 CVS coupon applied. I also had a $2 off any Edge shave gel. So if you're following me so far, I paid $11.56 out of pocket. I got $10 in extra care bucks back, making all 4 items just $1.56 or 39 cents each. So like I said, I don't normally pay for razors. I normally get them for free, but I thought it was worth it because I want to make sure I keep getting those coupons. That way the deals just keep getting better and better. The last deal that I want to tell you about, and I didn't include this in the haul because it's a medicine, and I've never found a deal on this product before, and I feel like an old person because I was excited by the fact that I found a deal on omeprazole, but this is the deal. Omeprazole, something we needed, and I thought, well shoot, I'm just going to see how much it is here. That way I can use my extra care bucks to pay for it, and I don't have to pay for it out of pocket at the grocery store. So what I found was this 14 tablet package is $10.49, which is way more expensive than what my grocery store has it priced at. But once I used my CVS coupons, it made it actually a little bit cheaper than me buying it at the grocery store, and I could use my extra care bucks to pay for it. So it was a win-win. All right, $10.49. They're also buy one, get one half off, but I just bought one because that's the best deal that I could make. So it was $10.49. I had that $3 off any heartburn purchase CRT that I keep getting every week, that attached to this, as well as a $4 off any $10 Live Better vitamins, and then it said it included a few other things. That also was attaching to this. So it made it $3.49, which is in fact cheaper than I would have purchased it at the grocery store. So that was a great deal. If you're wondering how to know if a coupon attaches to a product or not, if you go to your CVS app, there is a little button that looks like a barcode. You hit that button and it's going to bring up a screen on your phone where you can scan the barcode of a product, and then it will show you the different coupons that you have that apply to that product. Just make sure you hit the little plus sign so that way that coupon is attached to your card. So when you scan your card or you give your phone number at checkout, those coupons will in fact apply. I know I've screwed up before and I'll have a coupon, but I forget to send it to my card, and then I wonder why it didn't apply. That's why, because I didn't send it to my card. All right, any questions you guys have about any of this, please let me know down in the comments below. I am happy to answer any questions that you have. There was a pretty solid deal on some diapers this week. So if diapers are something that you buy, check out both the New Leaf diapers. I know not all CVS's carry them, but there are printables that you can get from the Pull-Ups website for those New Leaf diapers. I believe they're $3 off each, so that's a really high value coupon. And then I had a bunch of different baby CRTs in my app, so that makes for some really good deals on that. As well as the Pamper products, they're on promotion this week as well. And there are Ibotta rebates. So just keep in mind, if you are in the market for some diapers, check out both of those deals going on at CVS this week. Hope you guys have an amazing week, and stay tuned for my Walgreens video that will be posted here shortly. Thanks, guys.